Myntri bapet yakatanat Public Health Engineering Marcus and Marak. Mentakasni ulahyar sejaka penlang batan Umbam kabaduan Mawphlang nagabenta bantes pat sedang no yakajing Pyntreikam yaka Greater Shillong Water Supply Scheme Phase 3. Dakani kajing Pyntreikam jaka Phase 3 Marcus ula pentip bakani ka Projek Umbam kan ai tam 10 million litar haka shisngi nagabenta kinong shnong ka Shillong.
Today, I'm very glad to inform everyone that today we are able to commission and test the Greater Shillong Water Supply Scheme Phase 3, and I'm here at stage 2 of the pumping. Stage 1 we have already commissioned and tested successfully, and I'm here in the stage 2 pumping, where from here we will be pumped to the treatment plant, which is there in Mawphlang. So here, today, we are standing here today after 17 years. The project was sanctioned in the year 2008, and today, 2025, in the month of November, we are commissioning and testing the project here. So for this successful commissioning and testing, I would like to thank entire team of Chief Engineer, Commission Secretary, and all the concerned officers who have been working so tirelessly here. So I thank them. And apart from that, I would like to thank our Honorable Chief Minister, Comrade K. Samla, for sincerely, reviewing this project and supporting the project and supporting the department in every angle. And I would like to express my sincere thanks to former Chief Secretary, dbmnTv, who has been very actively working on this project, and with his support we were able to procure some of the lands which were having hindrance in completing the project. So therefore I express my sincere thanks to dbmnTv. I would like to express my sincere thanks to Kong Bada, who was former Chief Engineer of PHE department. So everyone, because of everyone's active support, active work, we are able to complete this project, and then we are able to commission today and test today. So with this commissioning and testing, we are adding another 8 mld of water to the Greater Shillong Water Supply Scheme here in Shillong City, for the Shillong City. Thank you.